Hi guys, how are you? Welcome to my channel. You know already what we are discussing in this video. Earlier I did how to write query management. In that video someone has asked me, please make a video on what are the formulas we use while cleaning the data. So I thought to do this video to help you. I think again this will help you because that video many people are watching. It means this is required. More people. I think for freshers or who are ready to learn. I think this is very important because I know already. I am completely aware of clinical data management. How to clean the data very clean without doing any errors by using some formulas, and that will make you very easy while working on the manuals. So, in clinical data management, you no need to struggle much. There are simple formulas. If you learn simple formulas, you can survive. No need to learn, no need to worry about more about formulas. They can be made because Excel is very big thing. But whatever we need in clinical data management, if you learn that thing, that is helpful. That is very easy for you. So many places we have auto checks, auto queries. If auto query is firing, you don't need to do anything. But when you do a manual review, you need to use formulas because suppose 10,000 records are there, means you cannot check one by one, one by one, one by one. Suppose if you want to use the corresponding adverse event, or if you want to bring some other table near to the another table. Suppose if you want to bring concomitant medications days near to the adverse event or medical history event near to the concomitant medication. In this scenario, you need to use formulas. So I am telling you what I am using. Maybe other people are using many formulas, but as per my requirement of my study, I am using some formulas. That is what I am sharing with you. The first formula is XLOOKUP, also called as, it is near to the VLOOKUP. I used to use earlier VLOOKUP to bring some data near to the some other sheet. Suppose I want adverse event start date near to the concomitant medications date. So earlier I used to use, suppose if I want to bring some other old sheet comments to the new sheet. So I used to use VLOOKUP. I think VLOOKUP that easy to bring some other old comments, but currently I am using XLOOKUP. VLOOKUP is very old formula. If you use VLOOKUP, very difficult. You need to remember the column names, column A, B, C, how much number you need to put comma, and you need to do that things. But if you use XLOOKUP, you don't need to do anything. If you click on subject one column and directly go to the where you require the column, if you click that, the data will come. You don't need to remember the column names 1, 2, 3 like that. XLOOKUP. And if you are not aware of this, you can search in the other Google these formulas so that somebody is explaining very clear way. And second formula is concatenate. Concatenate formula means sometimes if you use only subject number, only one column, the columns you need to bring from the another sheet. One is not required. One is not possible to bring. What you need to do, you need to take multiple columns. That suppose equal concatenate subject number or a subject ID or start date, end date. You need to take 4 or 5 columns same in the other sheet, both the sheets. Put in the concatenate and bring that comment by using XLOOKUP. A concatenate XLOOKUP. If you know these two things how to use, you can survive in clinical data management. No need to no need to worry. And if you want to find the duplicates, you can use COUNTIF. countif, equal countif. If you type in the Google, in the Excel, the countif will come. You can find out the duplicates. And like this, many things are there. I mean, duplicates, how to remove duplicates. You have one option, duplicate remove. In the Excel, you can use the duplicates to find duplicates. And to separate the cells, example, start date and some headache or fever term is in the same column in the medical history or concomitant medication. If you want to separate, you can do delimited. Go to delimited and you can separate the cells. And one more formula is, suppose if you want to bring near to the XO, example A column and B column, if you want to bring something to the from A column to B columns, you don't need to type manually what you want. If you can use equal and click on the A cell and enter it, it will come the data, whatever say data present in the A column, it will come to the B column. You can use this when you use some reports. If you want to send some reports to the client, you can use these things, or you can use this thing in the Labricon also if you want. And these are the formulas I really use in my clinical data management. If you know these things how to use clearly, perfectly, I think you can survive. You can survive in the clinical data management. You don't need to know about more formula. Mainly you should learn concatenate and XLOOKUP and countif if you want to find a duplicate. These are the things I really use in my work. Other than this, I don't use any formulas. In future, if I found any useful formulas, I'll let you know. For now, I will use only this many. If you don't know, please go to Google, go to YouTube, another any Excel experts. You can learn how to use these formulas. Only this much we require for clinical data management while cleaning the data. Okay, I think this really, I think this made you very easy, and you can learn about only these things and you can apply in your work. If you want to know more about our clinical data management related works, you can put in the comment what you want so that I can guide you. Thank you for watching. See you next video. Bye.